Mira?
Yes, number 2.
The woman has a mission for you. Take these sweets to your classroom. Make sure 5 of them are consumed by your classmates. If you fail this mission, calamity will befall you and your family, your mother, your father, and your siblings, and you'll be destroyed. But if you accomplish this mission, you will be promoted. That was exactly how I was promoted, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Number 2. Making sure my classmates consume this sweet is not a big deal. I have Princess, Ella, Precious, even Kamsi. They are all longer throats. Abidi Ogologo. I can assure you that.
If that's the case, then so be it. Good luck. Sisters?
They're so powerful, so mean and out to destroy.
I'm suspecting something in this school. Maybe they're up to something.
Don't involve me. Let's mind our business. Hey, that math teacher taught us. Me, I don't understand though.
After, let's go and meet comprehensive.
Yes, that is true.
Hi, Princess.
Hi, Mira.
You are reading?
Yes.
What are you reading?
Just maths.
Theory.
Yes.
Wow. That's why I love you. Always serious. Anyway, I got you something. Have it.
What for?
Nothing. Just from my heart.
I don't need it. Thank you.
Just an ordinary sweet.
I said I don't need it. Thank you.
You don't need it.
Nora,
Yes, sir.
I sent for you here to just give you a piece of an advice. You know, you're a pastor's daughter. Also, the chapel prefect of this school. You're supposed to be a beacon, a model, an exemplary to others. I sent for you here because I have a word of advice for you. Of recent, I've been seeing you with some groups of friends. Who are those friends of yours? Who are they?
They are just my friends, sir. They are ordinary, harmless
I
friends.
mean, you say harmless?
Yes, sir.
Remember the Bible says in the book of 1 Corinthians 15:33 that bad company corrupts good manners. Nora, you are not careful of your destiny if you're not careful of the company you keep. I must tell you that as a chapel prefect of this school, your light should shine. Let your light so shine that people out there, students in this school, will see your light and they will glorify their Father in heaven. You must be very careful of friends you keep. I tell you again, be careful. You should be careful. Retrace your step. Just go home. Think or ponder on all this. I have a class to attend. This is why I called you here. You can go back to your class.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
Mira,
Yes,
how many people have you gifted the sweets?
I succeeded in giving two, remaining two. Princess was so stubborn. Well, I'm still on it.
Remember, you just have few days.
That man wants to bite more than he can chew. But he doesn't know we own this school.
Not only own this school, we control this school. A child that wants to find out what eliminates his father must be prepared. If not, what eliminates his father will definitely eliminate him.
We will teach him a lesson he will never forget in his entire life.
E for destruction.